My name is Professor Lisa Dionne. I am from the University of Leeds. I teach and research within the School of Mechanical Engineering, which is within the Faculty of Engineering and Physical Sciences. But my area of expertise is capability-driven design, which sits within the focus of human-centered design, person-centered design. But my ultimate aim is to help organizations support vulnerable communities, specifically helping people that require design and engineering help. My experience at Tecnológico has been a fantastic experience on several levels, specifically because this is my first time in Mexico, my first time in Monterrey, and my first time at a university that's so open and forward-thinking with regards to technology, innovation and learning and development. So yes, it's been excellent. Thank you. So my experience, I've been here for a little over a week. I've been immersed in what I can only describe as a proactive, exciting and engaging design area. I absolutely love the way that individuals co-create and populate this space. So we've got everybody from different groups, different areas using this space to socialize, using this space to think, which is really important. Time to think is important. Time to learn, time to create. But also what I really like about the gym is the fact that it is a gym. It's an exercise space for thought. So I really do like the name, and I think the name is well coined and well used in this area. I think space is I think it's an interesting question actually, because what I see in a space such as this is a culture. And I think cultures, regardless of where they are, foster creativity and innovation. It's particularly interesting that the culture here is supportive of both youth, creativity, and actually when I'm actually walking around, what I see is that people are talking and there's rockets of desire based on inspiration, and they're feeding one another's thoughts, and then that links itself into this whole idea of a safe space for creativity and culture. I'm excited by your students. I've just finished a lecture with your students, and for one, they're so polite. They're so engaged. They actually understand the fact that there is a need for learning and development when it comes to experience of the student experience. I've really enjoyed spending time with them today. I spent 2 hours with them today, and it could have been longer, and I would have preferred it to be longer. But you know what? Volunteering 2 hours of their time, I have to be honest, I'm very privileged that they decided to spend time with me and do this. So I find them not just great engineers, designers, but actually great thinkers, and they're quite flexible. I think in industry right now, you need an individual that's able to adapt and be flexible to different problem situations. And I've seen that in them, and I do commend you on that, Azael. I would say, I was saying to one of the students today that there's two things that I like. Is the fact that strength is important. Okay, so I see this as an environment of strength, and I think strength is in the sense that we have a group of people here that doing things that they like doing, but that it inspires them to do it, and that's a strength. Okay, so I think strength is a really good way to describe this environment and what you do here. I'd say that inspirational in the sense that you're driving ideas. And the ideas are driving the implementation of technology. But what I'm also seeing here is that you're actually feeding young minds. And that's something that's really hard to do for educators, because you have to convince people and young people that there is something to learn. And I think you do that very well here. So well done.